you just got the Oculus 2. Well, you want to safe keep it, right? You want to keep it always in a good condition. So how we're going to do that? Well, what you need is the Oculus case. Believe me, this is good. And I'm going to show you this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com. Okay, so like I said in the beginning, you want to keep your Oculus 2 in a nice safe keeping. And believe me, we try all the cases, and the original one is the best. Now the nice thing too is, if you had the lead, this will perfect fit for the lead, the straps, right? If you had the original strap, that's fine. But if you have the lead, you can put the lead and it will fit the power charger, the controls, and everything else. So let me show you this. Okay, so we see here the case. That's the way you will get it. Simple. Let's unbox this. Simple unbox. Just take thing and that's it. The only thing that requires. I like the look. It looks like an egg. So the nice way is you can hang this anywhere. Put into your friend's house, right? Easy to carry. It's the way they hiding like the zipper, right? It's real nice. Check this out. So it has a small zipper there. We're gonna open this up the other way around. The Oculus logo. All right. And if you see, we open it. We got over here. So we take this out, and this is out. So now it's big because you have the lead. Now this is the original strap. So the way we're gonna keep this is this way. The other way around, and nice and fit. You see this now? Why this is much bigger? Well, because this will also fit again if you get the lead strap. Now here you can put your cable, you can put your chargers. Now we're gonna keep this one this way. If I remember how to do this, it's funny, right? So we put that one there, and the other one the other way around. That's it. I just got this, so that's why it takes me a while to figure out how to put it in, but that's where it goes. Exactly there. So here they say you put your charger, your cable. They say maybe you had the link cable. Right, you just put it right over there. Now we can see here that this will trap this part, it will trap the control, and this will hold this right over here, guys. Now we have the perfect case. Nothing moves here. Stay safe here. When you finish, keep it here. Okay, once again. Nice. Again, we can put the cables here and the charger. Let's close it up. Again, guys, for travel, right? You go to your friend's house. Oh, safekeeping, right? Remember, in the Oculus Quest, either 1 or 2, sunlight, direct sunlight can damage the lens, and that's very important. And I think, yeah, you keep it nice. You finish, put it back over here, and then it will last for a long time. And now again, you can hang this anywhere. Just put it there and hang it, and that's done. Now you want to get one of this because you want to protect your Oculus Quest 2. Guys, the link is right below this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.